guys, welcome back to my channel. So I kind of woke up today feeling a little bit under the weather, just tired and just not really feeling great. So I thought today would be the perfect day to film a super fast and easy no makeup look. Just something that you can get done super quickly when you're in a rush or you just don't feel like doing your makeup. That just enhances your natural features and just makes you look put together without looking like you're wearing a ton of makeup. So if you want to see how I got this no makeup look, then keep on watching. So when you're doing a super natural makeup look, you want to make sure that you keep your skin super moisturized. So I already went in and washed and moisturized my skin. And I'm also going to go ahead and prime with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is a primer and moisturizer in one. So I'm just going ahead and applying this directly to my face. I'm focusing it on the T-zone where I need the most pore coverage. So next I'm going to go in with foundation, and I'm actually going to use my Smashbox Studio Skin foundation. For a no makeup look, you could definitely go in with a BB cream and that would be fantastic. It would be fast and also just give you a light wash of coverage that is super comfortable on the skin. But right now I only have the regular foundation, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply that in a very light layer with my fingertips to kind of get the same effect. I definitely don't want to put on a ton of foundation. So I'm just going to start and focus that in the problem areas, like the places that I feel like I need the most coverage, and just get a nice light layer. And then if you want, you can go in with an extra pump and add some more coverage just to the areas that you need it. That way you're not adding full coverage to your entire face, just the places that you need it. Okay, so now we're going to move on to concealer. I'm going in with the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer, and this is the shade Fair Light Neutral. Since we're doing a no makeup look, I'm just going to dab a little tiny bit underneath my eyes and anywhere that I need a little bit more coverage, instead of doing the full-on concealer that I would normally do. And I'm also going to place them on my eyelids to act as an eyeshadow primer. So then I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with a damp makeup sponge. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and set the foundation and concealer. And to do that, I'm using the Smashbox Halo Hydrating Perfecting Powder. And this is perfect for a really natural makeup look because it has a little bit of coverage to it because it is not a translucent powder. But it's also a hydrating powder, so it's going to keep your skin looking soft and natural and flawless and not make it look too cakey. So I'm just going to take a nice fluffy brush and just apply the powder. I'm going to buff it into the skin using circular motions. Okay, so next I'm just going to go ahead and do brows, and I'm just going to take my Smashbox Brow Tech Matte Pencil and just go ahead and fill them in very lightly. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and move on to eyes, and I've already primed my eyes with the concealer beforehand. So for my eyeshadow look today, I'm going in with the Smashbox Minimalist Cover Shop palette, which is just a lot of nice natural colors. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this light brown shade right there and place that right in the crease. And we're not going to do like a crazy eye look, we just want to contour the eye a little bit to make it look more bright and open and awake. And then I'm just going to go ahead and also bring that same color to the outer corners of the eyes. Using mostly one color on the eye is going to really help your eyeshadow look more natural. Okay, so you can go in with a shimmer on the lid if you would like, but I want to keep this look as natural as possible, so I'm just going to take this white shade right here. This one's called Vanilla, and I'm just going to place that right on the eyelid, which is going to help brighten up the inner corner of the eye and make you look more awake. And then I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and go back into the first shade I used, which was Nude, and just place that underneath my lower lash line. just going to use the same brush and top it off with vanilla again to blend it out and make it look even more natural. So now for the rest of the face makeup, I want to make it look really natural but still add some color to the face. So I'm going to take the bronze shade from the Step by Step contour palette, which is the warmer, lighter brown, and I'm just going to take that on a big fluffy brush and kind of just dust it on the perimeters of my face to add some color and dimension without being too overbearing. So then, of course, I'm just going to add a little bit of blush because I've been loving blush lately and it's really nice to add some color to your face. So I'm going in with the Burt's Bees blush in Bare Peach. This is a super light and natural blush, which is perfect for this makeup look. And then, just because I love highlight, I'm going in with the gold highlight from the Spotlight palette and just placing that on my cheekbones and underneath my brow bone. And a little tiny bit in the inner corners. You can see it like instantly brightens up the eyes. And the highlight also makes your skin look healthy and glowy, so it's perfect for a natural makeup look. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Smashbox Always On Gel Liner. I just want to thicken up the lash line a little bit, but only on the outer corner. So I'm going to put it like the outer third of my tight line. That way it's not too dark, but you still get the dimension added and the thickened lash line. All about enhancing your natural features. And then I'm going in with the Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. Just going to do a light layer of that. Okay, then for lips, of course, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite products of all time, the Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm. And this one is in the shade Rose. A nice natural light wash of color. I love it. So then as the last step, I'm just going to go ahead and set my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Okay, so there is my finished no makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, you can get all of the products I used in today's video at the Wildcat Shop at Central Washington University, so be sure to go in and check those out if you saw anything that you found interesting. I think that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.